Capricorn, welcome to my channel. My name is Natasha Mai. This is a twin flame soulmate reading for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter. It is not gender specific and it's only your energy. If you want to know what's happening with your person, you will have to go and watch these signs. This is for twin flames and soulmates that are in contact, even if it's just a little bit, and they will be coming into union. If you are not sure whether this is the reading for you, I've changed the reading, so I've got another playlist that is for twin flames and soulmates that are in separation and in no contact. So you may want to watch both and see where you resonate and then stick to that. It is a timeless reading, so whenever you watch it, that is when it will have some kind of a meaning or a message for you. Okay, and remember to check the description box below for all my information and my private services that I can help you, Capricorn. That is why I'm here. I'm not only here to channel the energies for you, I can also help you privately and on a personal level with healings, with readings, with meditations and essential oils to support you on a day-to-day basis. So just get hold of me. My WhatsApp number, my email address is below. My Instagram and my Facebook links are also below. You can get hold of me through that. I'm putting specials out on my Facebook and Instagram at the moment, so you can just go and find them there, or just get hold of me so we can discuss what help you need and how I can best support you on your journey. You don't have to do this on your own. Okay, and the essential oils, I do want to mention that for you is such a brilliant non-time consuming way that can help you very effectively in your healing and your awakening process and everybody else around you. So you do want to invest in some of them. I will put a playlist at the end of the video called doTERRA Essential Oils with all the information in it, or you can go on YouTube with doTERRA Essential Oils for information, but just get hold of me so I can get some oils to you. It is, however, very important and crucial that you, when you do use essential oils, that you use a very high quality product to get that results that you are looking for. And that is why I am so passionate about doTERRA Essential Oils. But just get hold of me so I can get whatever help you need to you. And remember to like, share and subscribe for me. I'm going to give away a free private reading on a weekly basis now, for now. And I will pick someone from the sign with the most likes every week. So for that, you obviously need to subscribe and like the videos you're watching. And please leave your name and email address or WhatsApp number in the comment section below so that I can actually get hold of you if I've picked you for a free reading. But let's see what's happening, Capricorn. A Six of Wands came out for you, and this is being victorious. You have completed something here and you are absolutely victorious in something. This could be in a financial situation or a business that is just paying off right now, or this could be obviously in regards to your twin flame or soulmate. You have reached completion and you are just absolutely victorious in whatever way you were working on, or whatever you were working on before here, Capricorn. This card, however, talks about not even needing that, not needing attention from others about your achievements. You kind of just you are just in a place where, yes, you're going to get a lot of attention, but you don't even need that attention. You're just so happy that you could actually complete something here that you've been working on really hard. There is also a very big awakening that has happened here. You can see his third eye is open, and he's using his intuition to guide him forward. He's not using his other senses. So you have gone through a massive awakening process here, and it could be in regards to this connection, but this is a spiritual awakening that you've gone through, and you clearly see the path forward. You do not doubt anything about this connection anymore. You do not doubt that this will be moving forward and you will be coming into union here with your person. You might be coming into union at this very moment. This is why you're so victorious, but a lot of things has become clear to you with that open third eye here, and you are just ready. You are ready. This is a readiness for whatever lies ahead, whether or not you can see the outcome here. You are not moving at a fast pace right now, so there might not be a lot of communication or fast communication coming from you or coming in to you. Over here, this is the Cupid's arrows as well, but this mostly is about a very fast moving energy, passionate energy. It's number 8, it's that infinity. But I do feel you are tired after this battle that you've gone through. So you're not moving that fast. You can see this guy is not moving that fast as well. He's kind of looks like he's at a standstill, but he is victorious. He's kind of just taking a moment to breathe that in. So I feel this is what's happening over here. You're kind of just taking a moment to breathe in that success. You're not taking fast action here, Capricorn. You're not taking fast action. You've most definitely gone through a spiritual awakening here, massive spiritual awakening. And you know your spiritual mission forward, you know your purpose, you know where you belong, and this is definitely in the soul connection. You are very clear on that. And again, you've gone through massive transformation with the death card here. You've gone through that death of ego, you've gone through a rebirth. There could have been a very sudden ending between you and your twin flame or soulmate, or a separation that couldn't be avoided, which may have left you very dead inside for quite some time. It may have stripped you from everything in your world, or you may have felt like it stripped you from everything. But during that separation, you did go through a massive transformation. And yes, you are also coming through as the Hierophant. And the Hierophant is that perfect man. The number 5 is about massive changes that has happened. But the Hierophant is also um, very set in his belief systems, very set in his spirituality. He's a brilliant teacher, but sometimes very set in his ways. This is also about tradition, marriage, and having things in a very specific order. This is the Hierophant, and I feel like this is where you are. You want things in a very specific order, and you have achieved those things in that order, and this is why you are so victorious right now. And I feel like you are ready to come into union with your person. Things has worked out, but this is also you being very set in your belief systems around your religion or your spirituality, and obviously you've gone through a massive awakening there as well. And I also feel, coming from this God, you are very set in your belief that you and your person belong together, you will be together, and you want something traditional with them as well. You want to marry them. I strongly feel that you do want to marry them, and you've got, I feel that things have to happen in a specific way. I have to do this, then I can propose, then we get married, then we have children. That set of things in a very specific order that you want, and things are have fallen into place here for you. You've gone through massive changes and a lot of work and a lot of battles, but you are at that point now where you can make a commitment. You can actually make a commitment, and I feel you are very set in having that order, and you're ready. You're ready. Okay. I also feel a root chakra awakening here in regards to your stability and your finances and feeling safe and secure. You've gone through a transformation, and your root chakra is open here. You're feeling good, you're feeling safe, you feel you've achieved what you needed to achieve, and you are just ready to come into union. But you're not taking very fast action right now, you're just taking a moment, yeah, to kind of just rejuvenate, I feel, after this battle. This was quite a battle, I feel. And yes, obviously, you want something traditional with your true love. Romance of a lifetime. You know this person is your true love. You feel it, you know it, there's no doubt about it. This is a romance of a lifetime. This is the only one for you. You are in no doubt about it. You know this is your spiritual journey. You've got a very deep soul connection and a spiritual mission with this person, and you are very set in having that with this Hierophant, and having something traditional. Get married to this person, to your twin flame or soulmate. So yeah, you are most definitely coming into union. I feel here, Capricorn, it's on its way. I just feel like you're just taking a moment here with this reversed Eight of Wands. Just catching your breath, just soaking into those energy of victories before you actually come forward and communicate. This could also be you receiving all of this, that your person, that your twin flame, but this is your energy, but it could be that you are the one receiving all this beautiful stuff coming your way, that your person has gone through a spiritual awakening and a massive transformation, and they are now ready to offer you all this beautiful commitments and long term, this is long-term commitments. They might be very set in their ways and in the way that they want things, but things are in a completion phase. Yeah, there is a union coming for you. I'm going to leave it there, Capricorn. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave your name and email address in the comment section below, or your WhatsApp number, so I can go to get hold of you when I've picked you for a free private reading, which I will do from the sign. I will pick someone from the sign with the most likes for the week for now. So I'm going to do one every week, and go and have a look at the doTERRA essential oils and do invest in some of them. They will greatly support you in your awakening and healing process on your journey. Or just get hold of me for some other private services, readings, healings, meditations, and my specials are out on my Instagram and Facebook. You can just get my links up below. You can just get them there. And I will see you in the next video. Namaste, Capricorn.